There are many benefits to edge-based voice solutions. The one that we find that customers really resonate with is the safety of deployment. Back when it was an on-premise server-based legacy type of a solution, customers would have to go from not having voice to a completely different type of an implementation, and everybody had to move all at the same time, the whole warehouse, everybody. So it took a long time. There were issues, problems, deployment, and the people who ran operations in those warehouses were scared stiff because all of a sudden everything stops. With edge-based, deployment is completely different. You can deploy one user at a time, one shift at a time, one warehouse at a time. It is entirely up to the customer. It takes away all the trepidation of having to move from one thing to another. This gives the customer a lot of confidence in being able to say, okay, we really like what this does, so we can also make changes to the same one person or to two people. They can test it for a half a day, changes can be made, redeployed to those devices, and test it again. So that at the end of, say, a full week of testing and implementation, the device, the automation, and the voice implementation is exactly what the customer wants. It's easier for people to use, plus the users get implementation, they get input, they get feedback. It really is an entirely different experience, taking away all of the worry about moving everything and everybody to a brand new implementation versus voice automating a workflow people are already familiar with and making sure that all the automation that they need is implemented by the time they really roll out to full production.